Hi guys, this is Tina with Everyday Home with Tina, and today I wanted to bring you along with me as I decorate my foyer. Now the things that I'm going to use to decorate my foyer are a rug, this entryway table, mirror, lamps, and some of my favorite accessories. When people enter your home, your foyer is the first thing that they see. And what I want people to get when they come into my home, I want them to feel welcomed. I want them to feel a spirit of hospitality. Now, the very first thing I'm going to do to decorate my foyer is to place a rug on the floor. And the rug helps ground the space. Next, I'm going to put up a mirror. Here I have some vases with flowers, some of my favorite flowers. And I've also placed some buffet lamps. I have my buffet lamps tall so that they won't be short like the accessories. It's good to have a mirror in your foyer so that you can always get that last glance before you walk out of the door. Now here are some of my favorite things. I have pictures, I have candles, orbs, just some of my favorite accessories. I like to put things that express my family's likes. I'm accessorizing my foyer with colors that are in the rest of the home: turquoises, teals, blues, creams, and grays. Thanks for watching. I hope you've gained some pointers on how to decorate your foyer.